everybody, to the Bitcoin Bush, coming to you from beautiful Venice Island, Florida, the Shark's Tooth capital of the world, and also home to the J.P. Morgan Bear. This bear has been in my family for about 3 generations, belonged to banker J.P. Morgan. And speaking of which, J.P., let's just have a little fun. Every day, cryptocurrencies never sleep. That's all I got to say. There's more news, more exciting news every single day than you can keep up with. But let's just talk about J.P. Morgan. Bitcoin. If you're interested in Bitcoin, now has never been a better time to be interested. People, when anybody buys stuff in general, whether it's real estate, any type of investment, you name it, it's for 2 major reasons: greed and fear of loss. Do you know that more people buy stuff out of fear of loss than they do greed? And I tell you, people, never in my life have I ever seen more time to, quite frankly, not to scare people, but to have that fear with what is going on with our world economic situation. Truly, truly unprecedented. And that was part of why I got into Bitcoin several months ago. And by the way, if you have found me through the full-page ad in the, our beautiful full-page ad in the Yacht and Boat publication, because you saw those magic words, Bitcoin, thank you so much, truly, for dropping by. Please hit the subscribe button as well as the alert bell. You will get notifications as I come out with a new video. And also hit the like button if you like and want to comment down below. And I promise you this, if you watch at least 2 videos of mine every single week, I will make you a better educated, more informed digital asset investor. And also know this, what you can get in returns. If you've been in the stock market for all of your life, and being in the stock market, you know kind of where you can be range-wise. Being at the stock market over 100 years has averaged about 8%. Call it 7% when you pay a financial advisor, which is usually about 1%. So that's what it's averaging. So you can get a compound interest calculator, which is the 8th wonder of the world, compound interest, according to Albert Einstein, and do the math. And then also, if you have been one that have invested directly in certain stocks over the last, say, 10 years, congratulations to you. Whether if you bought Tesla, you've averaged about 63% a year over 10 years. If you bought Amazon for the last 10 years, you're up about 33% a year. Congratulations. And if you have bought Bitcoin for the last 10 years, you have always been over 200% a year. That's where the party starts. That's where it begins for me, being 200% a year. Nowhere else do I know on this planet, and I'm sure there's some others, but few and far between, where you can take and you can get not only 100%, 500%, 1,000, 4,000, 10,000% return on your money, not over 40 years or 20 years. I'm talking about during a bull market cycle, which can last anywhere from 1 year to 2 years. It's already happened in this bull market cycle with Bitcoin. Anyone that's been following it and seen it gone from 10,000 or from 3,600 up to 60,000. And it will continue to happen because this bull run is not over. So also, and this is getting back to the J.P. Morgan. It just says J.P. American Express and J.P. Morgan joined 20 million funding round in Candex, and they're just dipping their big toe into the cryptocurrency. It's getting mass adoption. And there's another article that came out in Cointelegraph that says that over 64% of adult Americans are interested in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. All right? So it's really getting to the forefront of the news, and probably why you decided to take a look. And by the way, it's kind of funny because when you, and I've mentioned this in several of my videos, if you're thinking about reallocating part of your traditional portfolio, whether it's 10% or 33%, I did the latter, you'll find out that that smaller percentage can outdwarf, just smash what you get on that 90%. And it has for me. And it will continue to. So just, again, you might have seen this before. I did my big toe in. I put in a whopping $75 to test Bitcoin because I was totally unfamiliar 6 months ago. Within 6 months, I turned $75 into $3,000. Figure out the compound interest I earned from $75 to $3,000. I will not sell the current asset I'm in until it reaches $20,000. Welcome to cryptocurrency. Talking about taking $75 and turning it into $20,000 in about a calendar year, give or take. That's what I'm here for, to help you guys learn kind of the pitfalls, what to do. And by the way, you can actually start, and when you do reallocate, if you have a big stock portfolio that you're funding, choose a good exchange that is secure. One that I recommend is called BitTrue. There will be a link to it down below. They also have different contests that you can enter in as soon as you sign up for account. And they're fun ones too. They give away like 300,000, 200,000. So they're very generous. They have a summer giveaway right now. Links down below. You can subscribe to that. And then if you think that you don't need a lot of money to make money, remember my $75 example. And then after I did my $75, always love visuals. These are my casino coins from my casino table. I pushed my other chips in. So I went full on in. Not completely. I'm allocated over, but I did do about 30%. And anyway, if you don't have any money, guess what? That's okay too. You can still take part of the game, because there are always companies that want to give you money to have you try their products. So right now, even on Cointelegraph, there's this one right down here that says, get $50. There it goes. It just popped up. I did that one already. That's eToro. I have 4 of those that are in the link down below, what I call money on the table. So you put in 50, they give you $50. That's 100%. So you can actually kind of double your money and have $300 to work with in the beginning. That's it. I'm having a giveaway too. And by the way, be sure to watch Friday. I start my Game of Thrones contest on Friday. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'll explain it then, but that'll be in Friday's episode. But I'm having my own giveaway as well as I launch this channel, being I have certain marks I want to hit up on the horizon, being that when we reach 25,000, 50,000, my ultimate goal, 100,000 subscribers. Each one of those I'll have a little giveaway. That's just my money on the table I'm giving to my subscribers. One lucky subscriber. So the first package is valued at about $400. It's $100 in BTC, $100 worth of Bitcoin, and also $300 in another project or investment called Hyperfund. And then when we move up to the next one, I got 400, and then I got 600 at the 50,000 when we hit that one, and then I got a $1,100 package when we hit that ultimate 100,000. And basically, what's interesting is that when you get and obtain, let's say, the 300 package of the Hyperfund, hold it, take advantage of it within 600 days. That 300 will grow to $11,000. And the easy round number, when we do the $1,000 Hyperfund giveaway, that 1,000, hold it. Once you receive it, hold it. Within about 600 days, it can earn up to, you can be upwards of almost $40,000. That's a 40x on your money. Huge return to go from 1,000 to 40,000 in less than 2 years. If you want to learn more about that, there's a link to it down below. I will have videos in the future about it. And also, you can contact me. Just hit the contact. You can leave your email. And then if you want to get in contact me by phone, I'm old-fashioned. I like the whole old phone thing. So you can contact me, and then we'll set up, and I can explain it over the phone or email if you like. But really exciting. I have a couple of regrets this past 6 months on some of my investments. One, just of not being able to get in different coins that I wanted to get in. And the second is not putting enough into my Hyperfund in the beginning. So I'm going to keep this one short for the day. Be sure to tune in tomorrow. We'll dig a little bit more deeper into the markets. And by the way, as far as the markets, it's kind of funny. I went down to the beach today. It was absolutely beautiful. It was sunny. We had a nice breeze. But the ocean was still angry. And it was still volatile, and that was still pretty much explains the crypto market. We'll take a sneak peek real quick because let's see what we got over here. There's our cryptocurrency market cap. We're trading at, this is my prettier side. We're right now, Bitcoin's at about 54,000. I would not worry too much about it. This is not financial advice, but this is referred to as a dip or correction. I don't see it being in a huge downfall at this point, so we'll go over that a little bit deeper tomorrow. Thank you so much. Make sure that you have a great day and bring a smile to someone else as well.